Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to put word on TikTok at different times. So if you want to give captions on the TikTok video, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok, click on this plus icon. Now you have to upload a video, or you can simply record a video. Once you will do it, now click on this tick button. Here you will see text option. Write any text. Once you will do it, now tap on it and you can click on the set duration. You have to select the timing where you want this text will appear. Now tick on it. Now again click on the text, write another text, click on the done and tap on it. Now click on again on the set duration, select the time duration when this text will be appear. As you can see, text will appear at different times. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.